Hi guys, I'll show you today this Blackhead Remover, vacuum Blackhead Remover. It's a gadget that is sold very well, I think. Now let's have a look and see what's inside the box. As you see, we have a manual. It's well written, easy to read, and not much to learn from it. It's just a simple device with one button. And in the box we have the device itself. As you see, it looks slick. It seems, it is well made, good quality materials. It has a suction head and a button and the body. There are multiple speeds here, so you can increase the suction but also the noise. And the charging port, and that's it. The suction head is removable, and there's a filter that is replaceable, an air filter. Very simple device, very easy to use. There are more suction heads in the box, different sizes, so you can adjust suction specifically to your skin, as they say. This is one of the heads. It's a bit different than the other one. This is another head, even wider. And the last head. There are also replaceable filters, spare filters, and spare suction caps, something like that, those little rubber or silicone things. This is a charging cable, very simple, and I'll show you at the end how a woman is using this device. What's wrong with it is that people complain that it just bruises the skin, not vacuuming, not suctioning anything, just bruising the skin. Same happened with the woman that you'll see in the next minutes. See you next time. Bye.